Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your backups. Make sure your Google account backup and any local PC or OTG copy are present. Once confirmed, charge the phone above 50% and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. If you will use a PC or advanced tools, enable developer options and USB debugging now, because those allow file access and fast transfers. Next, restart into Settings System, reset options to start the restoration flow. This ensures the device accepts the incoming data. You'll now perform the actual restore by selecting Restore from Google Backup or your local backup when the Setup Assistant prompts. Follow the on-screen prompts to restore apps, settings, home layout, and SMS. Keep the phone connected to Wi-Fi and be patient while background sync completes. Some apps restore later. If you're restoring via PC, connect the device and run the manufacturer's recovery tool. Follow each step precisely, and make sure drivers install correctly so files transfer without error. Finish by verifying that your Google account and other accounts are fully synced. Re-log in to banking and messaging apps and confirm photos and files are present. Once done, install any pending system or app updates, reboot the phone, and allow 24 to 48 hours for background services to finish syncing. If something goes wrong, try restarting into safe mode, clear the Play Store cache, or attempt the backup restore from a different network. These steps often resolve partial or stuck restores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.